Leslie Spilett. Leslie Spilett has advocated on behalf of Winnipeg's inner city and the Aboriginal community for more than 3 decades, encompassing a wide range of issues including education, environment, social justice, and human rights. She is the principal founder and executive director of Gani Ganichek, meaning those who lead. This culturally based Aboriginal human resource agency has assisted some 18,000 people since its inception in 2001. Ms. Spilett was also instrumental in starting Manitoba's Aboriginal Youth Achievement Awards. She was an executive member of the Native Women's Association of Canada when the Sisters in Spirit campaign was launched, and continues to raise awareness of the issue of missing and murdered Aboriginal women in Canada. Presently, Ms. Spilett is a member of the University of Winnipeg's inaugural Indigenous Advisory Circle. Your Honor, Ms. Leslie Spilett.